Miss Khanna, thank you so much for the opportunity to conduct a 2-day workshop at Unison. Would you like to share some feedback on the sessions?
So thank you, Unison Barum, for being here. It was our pleasure to have you, and the sessions have been really, really engaging, and a lot of teachers, especially the ones who have been new in the system, I'm sure there has been a lot of learning for them, and they will carry a lot of valuable feedback with them. The one about self-reflect, as being a self-reflective practitioner, that was very interesting, because there are a lot of practices which we do, but sometimes we don't really reflect, and we might have been teaching for donkey years, but there are redundant practices, and it is important that we reflect. So that was something which was an eye-opener. Even the one session with which you opened the entire day was how to be an effective teacher, and I would underline the word effective, because we are all teachers, and we assume that we are effective teachers, but are we really effective? So that was one session again which helped us reflect whether the practices which we were doing are right or need some more improvement. In all, it has been a great learning experience for all of us, and I'm sure we will have you back again very soon to continue with this kind of sessions and build upon the entire practices.
Thank you very much.